In a historic moment that resonates with unity and inclusivity, Windsor Castle breaks tradition by opening its doors to Muslims observing Ramadan. Let's delve into this groundbreaking event that marks a significant shift in the castle's legacy. Over the weekend, Windsor Castle carved a new chapter in its storied history by hosting its inaugural Ramadan event. A remarkable occasion where guests of all faiths gathered to partake in the cherished tradition of Iftar, breaking their fast after sunset within the castle's grand surroundings. Co-hosted by the Royal Collection Trust and the Ramadan Tent Project, this groundbreaking event extended an open invitation to people of diverse backgrounds, emphasizing the castle's commitment to fostering inclusivity and cultural exchange. Reflecting on the significance of the occasion, organizers expressed their delight in collaborating with the Ramadan Tent Project, highlighting the event's aim to celebrate heritage, tradition, and unity. Attendees shared their experiences, describing the event as unforgettable and a symbol of solidarity. This gesture of openness comes amidst a series of health crises within the royal family, including the recent announcement of the Princess of Wales's battle with cancer. Despite these challenges, the royal household continues its public duties, reaffirming its commitment to serving the community. Windsor Castle's participation in Earth Hour further underscores the monarchy's dedication to environmental conservation, aligning with King Charles's advocacy for sustainable practices. As the world faces pressing challenges, the royal family remains steadfast in its efforts to promote awareness and action. From a historic Ramadan event to environmental initiatives, Windsor Castle stands as a beacon of inclusivity and environmental stewardship. As we witness these remarkable moments, let us reflect on the importance of unity and sustainability in shaping our collective future. This is Celeb Explore Hub, signing off.